Hi, I'm here to demo planting a herbaceous or Ito peony for you today. The instructions are pretty much the same, so I'm going to show you both at sort of the same time. So I've already pre-dug my hole, just to save a little bit of time. So there's some loose dirt under here. I've also added a little bit of compost to the hole and mixed some compost and native dirt here in this bucket. So when you're looking at your dirt, you want to make sure you don't have any weeds or grass. I have some old grass from my field, so just make sure you get all those clumps out. It's nice and clean. Now when you're looking at how to plant your herbaceous peonies, you want them buds up. And for Ito peonies, buds up. So here's a few examples of our different, what they can look like. So when planting the Ito peony, you want to go down here, and you're not going to cover all the buds. You're going to probably put it this level, so it's about 1 to 2 inches above this base piece, and then make sure this root, in this case sticking out, is under the soil. So you're going to plant here at about this level. So for the herbaceous, we're going to put this, we want this to end up about 1 to 2 inches below our soil surface. So we got here, I'm going to put some of our native and compost in here, and we're going to just put this in and we're going to press it down, make sure we get all those air bubbles out and compacted. Now you're going to want to add a little bit of fertilizer, especially when planting. These new roots need a little bit of extra help, especially because we're going into winter here. So no particular recommendations, but it's really important that when you pick out your fertilizer, that you get a low nitrogen fertilizer. That 4 is that nitrogen, or that first number on there. So this is a low nitrogen fertilizer. If you get one that has high nitrogen, you're more likely to get greens and less blooms. So the intent is to see it bloom. Let's make sure we get some appropriate nitrogen in the soil for that peony growth. This one also has bone meal in it. I would add bone meal while planting, but because this already has it in it, I don't have to add a second one. The bone meal helps with sort of some root development to help it get a little kickstart in its first year of growth. Now it's not too late. Here it's November and we're planting. Peonies do really well and are actually best planted in fall. It's a nice sunny day, but it's going to rain pretty good here in about 2 days, so I want to get these in the ground. So I'm going to get this in, and some of our native soil, and there we go. So we're probably about 1 inch above and compacted for that herbaceous peony. If you have any questions, check us out on myfavoriteflowersandmore.com or reach out to me with any questions you have. Thank you. Bye-bye.